don't stand still anymore. Time keeps pulling at our feet. Every step ignites the ground. Every breath feels incomplete. City lights are open roads. Same desire, different skin. What we chase is not a place. It's the fire we're moving in. Hearts beat close, not out of need, but because they wanna stay. Nothing fragile in this touch, nothing fading, nothing gray. We move fast, we move free. Life feels sharp when love is near. No regrets, no repeats. Only now is real right here. Waves crash hard against the dark. Wind cuts clean across the shore. Every loss we ever felt taught us how to want it more. We don't ask for perfect plans. We don't wait for signs to show. If the feeling pulls us in, that's the only way we go. Hearts beat loud beneath calm skin. Quiet confidence in heat. What we hold is strong enough to survive the incomplete. We move fast, we move free. Life feels short when love is near. No regrets, no repeat. Only now is real right here. Neon skies or empty streets, same post running through the night. Every moment wants to live, every shadow wants the light. What we were no longer fits, what we are is still in flame. Love is not a gentle thing, it's a force that